Welcome back. This is how to fix OnePlus won't turn on or charge. So first, hold the power button plus the volume up for about 15 seconds, and this often wakes up a frozen phone. Another one is check charger and cable. So use the original OnePlus Warp or Dash charger if possible, and try another USB-C cable and wall socket to rule out power issues. Another one is clean the port. So gently remove any dust or lint from the USB-C port using a toothpick or soft brush to fix the issue. Another one is go ahead and plug the phone into the charger, then press and hold the power plus volume down for 10 to 15 seconds, and this can trigger charging on a drained battery. Now, guys, another one is leave it unplugged. So if the battery is fully discharged, leave it charging for at least 30 to 45 minutes before trying again. There you go. See ya.